Hello, good evening, everyone. How are you? Okay, hello, Jordan. Hello, Anthony. Good evening. Hello, Michael. Hello, Lim Bunwa. Review NE Northerners. Okay, what is the how to say the stocks name Okay, BJ Food OGCK. Okay, no problem. Okay, so please help me to click like and also share this video lah. Okay, hello Nicholas, good evening. Okay, so that we can get more viewers to tune in. Okay, otherwise, okay, this live session not enough people Okay, so today content, let's go through the market outlook, which include the US market, oil, gold, cryptocurrency, and FBMK LCI. Follow with the stocks Q&A. Okay, let me know the stocks you want me to review and your plan, whether you're looking for maybe support or resistance, and you're looking for, okay, maybe for short term, long term, mid term, okay, so that I can give a better opinion. Okay, so disclaimer, all our sharing is not a buy or sell recommendation or just for education purposes. Okay, if you get to join my Telegram, you may screenshot this QR code and tune in lah. Okay, so let's go for market outlook first. Okay, so far for US side, okay, I would say weekly point of view still remains slightly bearish. Okay, we can see the previous week is bearish and last week closing is more on indecisive. Okay, looks like the bull and bear also fighting lah. Okay, so maybe market also indecisive or uncertainty. Okay, due to the election now. Okay, which happening tomorrow. Okay, so I think by the time should be Wednesday Malaysia time, maybe morning lah, morning or afternoon. We will know the result. So maybe the coming Wednesday US market, they will give us a clearer direction, okay, whether they want to go up or go down lah. And also, if we look at the FOMC Fed rate, is on Thursday second half, okay, which is Malaysia time, Friday 3 a.m. and 3:30 a.m. Okay, rate cut or not, I think most likely will cut lah. Okay, but most importantly is a press conference lah. Okay, whether they really will cut until 4.5 by end of this year or how. Okay, so this week the news is quite impactful, so I expect market will be more volatile lah. Okay, so for US side at the moment, okay, for Dow Jones last week closing consider is indecisive. Okay, for Dow Jones. Okay, how about S&P? Okay, S&P is more clear that is more on bearish note. Okay, closing is more on bearish weekly point of view. So take note on 5,007. Okay, this is their next strong support. Okay, if they can stay, still got chance to spike out further lah. Tapi if they break below 5,007, then not so great. They might visit 5,006. And how about the Nasdaq? Okay, Nasdaq also closing a little bit bearish. Okay, as they already run out, the rally already run out for so many weeks, and you can see by looking at the candle, the candle getting weaker and weakening, and last week they have a stronger bear price action. So based on here, I expect market may retest 19.8k or 19.6k. Okay, this is their crucial support 1, support 2. So based on last week closing, I think market may more favor to the bear. Okay, maybe slightly bearish or maybe some retracement lah. Okay, so how about, okay, let me see, next one is a gold oil price. Okay, for the oil price so far 68 is supported very well. Okay, even though I see the overall trend, the momentum is more favor to the bear. Okay, but so far they yet to break down, so I would say they still got chance to bounce up. Okay, as we can see today, okay, if we based on the daily chart, today actually market consider, okay, for Monday consider not too bad. So they are heading to the next resistance, which is $72. Okay, so this is a oil price. Seems like they are bottoming and they do have potential to rebound Okay, rebound further. And how about the gold price? Okay, gold price for the weekly point of view, they have appeared the shooting star. So this indicate that maybe market may have some retracement, okay, on the gold price or if 2720 unable to hold, maybe they might retrace further to 2660 or even lower. Okay, based on this weekly candle, I think market may retrace further. Okay, for gold as well. Okay, how about the Bitcoin? Okay, Bitcoin also the same. They also have a shooting star at the resistance zone, okay, which is also their all-time high. Okay, so what I see based on this candle is most likely they might retrace down to 65k lah. Okay, 65, 66k. If they can stay and get supported, they still got chance to re-challenge the all-time high. And how about the Ethereum? Ethereum as well lah, not that strong. Okay, closing also remain weak lah, and they are still remain within, okay, sideways within the box. And how about our FBM KLCI? Okay, as I mentioned before, okay, last week I've mentioned before, the 4D number is 1588. Okay, which is also is a 200 MAs. So what we can see on Friday, okay, market open gap down. I think it's about 1589 lah, okay. Jump one number lah, okay, tak kena lah. Okay, so they do supported by supported by the 200 MAs. Okay, and bounce up lah. Okay, but I would say for Friday candle okay only because they open gap down, then they close high. Okay, just like that only lah. And today market sentiment maybe follow lah due to the oversold for so many days already, and they hit support, bounce up. So today closing for KLCI consider not too bad, but okay, don't so fast happy lah, because they might just visit the resistance only 1625. Okay, as 1625 was a support, now turn into resistance, and overall you can see sell rebound, sell rebound, sell. It may be just a rebound only. Okay, question mark lah. So take note 1625. Okay, unless they can clear, okay, clear above 1625, then maybe they might go up further to 1640 lah. Okay, bear in mind that actually 20 MA already crossed below 50 lah. So for short term, it still remain weak. Okay, only long term, lucky thing they supported. Okay, the 1588. Okay, get supported. Okay, if breakdown, memang no good lah. Okay, so that's all for the market outlook. I think Jordan want to know HSI lah. HSI. Okay, let's go. We see how is the HSI doing. Okay, let's go here. Okay, for HSI, this is a weekly point of view. Okay, what I can comment is they already pump out for 3 weeks. Okay, this week is a deep wash, right? But the remaining weeks, you can see last week and the previous 2 weeks actually they don't have much movement. So what I think most likely they will remain sideways. Okay, they will do sideways lah. Okay, so far I would say bull still will have chance as long as they are above 19750. Okay, bull still will have chance. And if we switch back to the daily chart, okay, actually you can see they memang doing sideways. Okay, this one is a big trend. This one deep wash, then now more on sideways. So that's why I would say bull and buy is still fighting within here. I guess they also wait for the election now. Okay, after the election, maybe they will see who win whether they will kena tax or not lah. So maybe like that lah. So I think they will also remain sideways until after Wednesday lah. Okay, maybe until Wednesday onwards. Maybe I think should be Thursday story already lah. Okay, so for plantation, last week we do mention, right? I do mention, even though in the Telegram I also got sent out the message, and I do mention before 4,005 for the CPO price CPO price, because they have been sideways for about 2 years already. Okay, this time here was 2022. Okay, and finally they break. Okay, 2024, they already break above 4,005. So I do mention before, as long as the palm oil price can stay above 4,005, plantation sector, okay, might have some opportunity lah. Tapi now also jalan halfway already lah. So I don't want to do any recommendation already. Okay, because halfway already. Okay, what I like is I mentioned during here lah. When they break out, when they retest 4,005, and maybe you also notice some plantation counters, they memang jalan lah. Okay, so let's go for our stocks Q&A lah. Okay, I talked too much already. Okay, so first one from 左先生. Okay, before that, help us to click like and also share lah. Okay, Facebook not enough people leh. Okay, okay, let's go for the BJ Food. Okay, Berjaya. So far so good lah. Berjaya Food. Okay, memang berjaya now. Okay, so we can see they found the bottom at 350 lah. Then rally up. Sideways for a couple of weeks. Okay, supported very well at 40 cents. So for BJ Food, they already pumped for 3 days. Okay, so far we can see the volume is still increasing. Okay, so far I would say the momentum, okay, for BJ Food is still very, very strong. Okay, so if you're already in, congratulations. So what we need to take note on is a 200 MAs. Okay, somewhere around 530. Okay, if you're more greedy, okay, maybe it's a 540 level lah. Okay, this also ngam was a support back then. Okay, after the breakdown, turn into resistance. Now it's a resistance. Okay, 530540. Okay, so if you're unsure where to set, maybe 535 lah. In the middle lah. Okay, so what we can see here previously was a support, turn into resistance. So no matter how, okay, here is a place you must protect partial profit. Okay, momentum I think is still alright. Okay, tapi no matter how, protect partial. Okay, protect a little bit lah. Take some profit dulu, and another half you can fight for more profit lah. Okay, so BJ Food so far so good lah. But if speaking about entry, I would say too late already. Okay, too late already. Okay, how about the OCK? Okay, OCK also potentially found a bottom. Okay, momentum boleh. Okay, potentially found a bottom since September until now. Okay, seems like they do tested 455460. Okay, so long lah. Okay, from September until now, November already. So far supported very well. Okay, today they do pump out volume. Okay saja, okay, but better than no lah. Okay, better than low volume. Okay, consider acceptable. So they do have potential to do a bottoming. So next things, okay, for the OCK is to break above 510 lah. Okay, once they break 510, next level 555. Okay, because this counter is still below 200 MAs, so our strategy is more on rebound trade only. Okay, so what we can aim maximum is buku 555 lah. Okay, 555. Okay, would be for me lah, is my ultimate TP lah at the moment. But meanwhile on the way, maybe we need to take note. Okay, need to take note 510, then 540, then 555. Okay, this is a OCK. How about the revenue? Okay, revenue. Okay, indeed. Okay, recently they do have volumes. Tapi by zooming out, I would say they might still need some time to form a bottoming. Okay, so far I would say the MACD indicate that no longer that bearish only. Then they might be just like OCK lah. You can see OCK also macam ini sell down, then they form a sideway since September until November. So they took about 1 to 2 months time. So revenue, I think they also could be the same. Okay, they just recently, maybe October onwards, they started to slow down on the selling. Okay, so most likely for these counters, I guess most likely they will continue sideways. Okay, and this counter is a long-term, I would say more on long-term downtrending counters lah. Downtrend since 2021, 3 years old already 3 years anniversary already. They become penny stocks already. So I guess most likely they will continue sideways. And yeah, as long as they are above 140, okay, if you still interested with it, then okay lah, then you can KIV lah. Tapi I would say you need holding power lo to tahan no, because we don't know how long they want to go sideways. NE Northern let me see okay, ready ada. New counters, bought 590, okay lah. Lucky thing your EP is yeah, I assume you EP because of the breakout above 590 or breakout above 580, then you jump in at 590 lah. So far nothing much Two new already discounters, okay? October 15. Today is November 4th of November. So less than a month only, okay? This one full moon pun belum still belum full moon yet So what we can do is we use a Fibonacci to agak-agak on the levels lah. 645. Okay, if speaking about their next resistance based on the Fibonacci is okay, should be somewhere around 750. And for the support, I would say 645, 625. Yeah, boleh lah. High volume this day. Okay, so yeah, you take note lah. 625, 645. As long as they didn't break below, then still okay lah. Then maybe got potential to visit here, maybe. Okay, but this is a very, very new counters. So I only have less than a month data to analyze their movement. So I would say my success rate for these counters would be super, super low. Okay, because yeah, only less than a month data lah. We still don't know their attitude or their behavior, how they can draw the chart lah. Okay, but based on here, as long as they are above 625, then okay. Okay, and regarding on the next resistance, maybe review again on Wednesday. Okay, if they are able to break above 750 lah, then we review again. Okay, otherwise if I give you 80 cents or 1 ringgit, then too far already and not so realistic lah. Okay, how about the YTL? 一条龙Okay, become 一条虫 already Okay, YTL EP. Okay, YTL if you're looking at the trend these counters are already into a downtrend stocks. Okay, so we can see since 2023 April onwards uptrend. Okay, until this year maybe somewhere in between April, May, June like that the stocks already started to sell down. So you can see purely based on here, the high is getting lower already. Okay, the low is getting lower as well. So what can we expect? Okay, probably if we follow the trend most likely they will just rebound and continue sell down. Okay, if you are looking for potential support, okay, most likely we are just for the short-term trade lah. Okay, so take note because 215 was a good support back in January, tapi they already broken down lah. So what we can see here is recently they try to stabilize here lah. Maybe 2 ringgit is a good level for them to get supported lah. So you can see they are struggle here. So okay, for me just a short-term trade lah. For just a short-term trade only. So for me as long as they are above 2 ringgit, maybe they got chance to rebound up to 215 or the 20 MA. 222 lah. Okay, I put 222 lah, easier to remember. Okay, what I see you can see previously they also stabilized here already, rebound, continue sell down. Okay, so now it's like they stabilize already, so maybe they will just bounce up and continue sell down. Okay, based on previous momentum, we predict or we anticipate maybe they will just rebound and continue sell down. Okay, so this is what you need to expect lah. This might happen. And also the price is below all moving averages, so consider it's very bearish counters lah. Okay, so how about the MRCB? Okay, MRCB I do mention before 550 is a support, cannot be. broken lah. Okay, so far they still get supported. Okay, recently not much volume. Okay, only okay if you are interested. Okay, your stop loss is below 550. Okay, so maybe your stop loss is 545 or 540. Okay, set your stop loss here. So in between the price somewhere around here, you can consider lah. Tapi if they close below 550, sorry next level is a 50 cents level already. But if they are able to bounce up 60 cents, 630, 60 cents, 635, 650 would be their R1, R2. Okay, so this one at the moment for MRCB, you can see support here, resistance here, support here, resistance here, support here, maybe also somewhere around here only lah. Okay, I would say they are more on sideways and not so strong lah, in my opinion. Okay, JPG, JPEG this one. Okay, so far they are still bullish. Okay, for this one indicate S1, S2, R1, R2. Okay, so far they are still bullish. Tapi you can see today's candle they got a little bit antenna here lah. Okay, looks like they have some profit taking activities here. Even though this is a bullish candle, but I would say slightly bullish only. Okay, compared to this this candle looks slightly bullish only. Okay, due to they have some profit taking activities over here. So for support, I think previously my target was 115. Okay, based on the Fibo. So the extreme level is 122. Okay, for today. So I would say R1 would definitely be 122 and S1 115 110. Okay, how about the SKB shutter This one still struggle Okay, this one last week I think I classified it as most likely game over already lah. Okay. Okay, tapi you can see Friday they still have a mini hammer lah. Okay, today they come back above the 200 MAs. Okay, looks like they still want to try hard to survive lah. Okay, so maybe I give them 740 lah. Okay, most importantly, since they have some transaction or support over here, so take note on SKB. Okay, as long as they are above 740, yeah, maybe they might have some bounce up opportunity. Okay, tapi bounce up I would see somewhere around 830 or maximum 90 cents. Okay, 830 90 cents. Okay, if 740 unable to hold, tak cantik already they might crashing down to 675 or 630 level. Okay, this is a SKB. Okay, Burma's Auto. Okay, this one also the trend tentatively is into the bear trend already Okay, since they break below 200 MAs, break below, even they try to recover back, tapi fail. Okay, kena continue sell down. Okay, now they are like struggle or try to get supported by 205 lah. Okay, these few days this counter just sideways around here. Volume, okay, Friday volume is still okay. Okay, today sell down with low volume, I would say the chances is still there as long as they are above 205. Okay, if below 205, 2 ringgit or even lower already. Okay, if they are able to bounce up, then not 220, then 230. Okay, so this would be R1, R2. Okay, but these counters due to the trend is more on downtrending. So what we expect is just a rebound. Okay, due to oversold, maybe people think cheap and go and buy. Okay, buy then maybe they earn 10 or 20%, then they cabut already. Okay, so most likely it's just a rebound lah. Okay, how about the Shenzhen mother dulu lah? Not that great lah. Okay, already below 200 MAs. Okay, Friday got some volumes, tapi I would say they are more okay for Shenzhen most likely will go into sideways lah. Most likely sideways. Sun also not so strong. Okay, I would say not so strong overall. Okay, so wash out maybe 115 lah. If they go below 115, memang no good. Okay, HSI we review and we go for the 9988. Okay, Alibaba. Okay, Alibaba, I think the movement is quite similar with the HSI. Okay, they also previously have a pump. You can see recently actually quite boring. You can see they actually not really move. So I think most likely for Alibaba is moving forward lah. Most likely will go sideways until something triggered. Okay, something lah, maybe some news triggered, dia baru boleh jalan. Okay, hello Lim, KL Lim, Eco West. Okay, let me see lah. Eco West previously my comment is no chance. Okay, so have chance back to 36 cents and 40 cents or not. Okay. So my answer now is 36 cents possible. Okay, due to they also sell down many days already lah. Now got some support at 340. So most likely they will just bounce up to 360, 370. Okay, due to this was a support. Okay, tapi they broken down already. Now turn into resistance. So 360, 370 would be your resistance. So I think most likely they will just bounce up to hit here. Okay, unless they can close above 370, then we only talk about 40 cents. Okay, otherwise I will just see it as bounce up to here, continue sell down. Okay, this is what I think lah. Okay, this is the EcoVest. Okay, CMB. CMB is still okay. Oh, this one, the movement exactly like the KLCI. Okay, Friday open gap down, close high. Okay, but today is back to square lah, nothing much lah. Okay, back to where they belongs. Okay, back in Wednesday. So for the CMB, I would say short term a little bit weak. Okay, because they already started to break below 20 and 50 MA. And today they rebound, hit and rejected by, okay, what we can see. Today they come up. Actually, they get resisted by 20 and 50 MA. A little bit weak. Okay, for short-term point of view lah. Okay, tapi the 20 haven't crossed below 50 lah. So, based on today's candle, I would say, okay, short-term a little bit weak. Until they can go above 820, then would be safe for them. Okay, otherwise I would say they might go sideways or may have a bigger correction. Okay, if they break below 770, we will expect more correction. So depending on you are long-term or short-term holder. If you are long-term holder, no problem at all. Okay, no problem at all. But if you are short-term holder, then you need to consider whether you want to exit first or where is your exit point. Okay, either you want to cabut now or you wait for it to break below 770, you only cabut. Okay, but if you're a long-term holder, okay, you buy and hold one, keep for 2 one, then no problem lah, they are still alright. Okay, how about the Petronas Chemical? Okay, Petronas Chemical, I would say, okay, trend point of view, Petronas Chemical is more on downtrending. Okay, now the only hope is they seems like forming bottoming at 533. Okay, seems like they try to defend the price above 533 lah. Okay, so I would say as long as they are above 533, this is a potential bottoming. Tapi if they break down, next level is a 5 ringgit or 470. But even they can bounce up, I would say still need to respect 560. And for them to make a reversal, at least need to break above 6 ringgit. Only ada wayang. Okay, otherwise most likely they will sideways macam ini only. Okay, so chances I think potential bottoming only lah. Okay, how about the Taan? 答案 is still good lah. Review only Okay, review point. Okay, I would say they are still very bullish. Okay, recently the performance still not that bad. Wednesday, Friday, and today. Okay, already went up 3 days already, and with volume as well. So I would say they are still bullish. And the only thing you need to take note is previously they also have a big pump, and they pump all the way to somewhere around 550 lah. Okay, let me see. They have a strong rejection back in 22 April. So take note, this is a strong resistance for Ta'an 550. Okay, of course, on the way you take note 470 first. If they can clear, then you only watch 5 ringgit. Then ultimate resistance 550 lor. And how about VS? Okay, VS if I'm not mistaken previously I got say they macam okay macam okay among the other among their peers lah. Okay, so we can see actually Friday VS got volume pump up. Okay, today up a little bit, volume not so much, okay only. So at least for VS they recover above 1 ringgit. Okay, which is considered good news for them lah. And also they above 200 MAs. Okay, so I would say 1 ringgit 950. Okay, as long as they are above this zone, I think they still ada hope. Okay, they still ada hope. And tapi if they go below 950, yeah, memang no good already lah. Sorry lah. They might sell down even further to maybe 80 cents level. Okay, from the MACD point of view, I would say seems like the selling pressure is slowing down. Okay, or yeah, the bull is already started to come up. So opportunity I think is there lah. Okay, so I think it's still okay as long as above 950. Okay, how about the Genting? Genting is still I would say is still weak. Okay, they are still weak. So maybe they memang want to come down to 390 or 380 level. Okay, I think they are heading there lah. Okay, most likely still remain weak. Okay, still weak. I haven't seen any reversal signal lah. Okay, same as the Genting Malaysia, still remain weak. Okay, still weak. So even they can bounce up, maybe just to test a 230 level. Okay, I yet to see any reversal signal or strong comeback yet. Okay, not yet. Okay, how about the Suncon? Okay, Suncon they've been tested here, unable to go through 460. Okay, so Friday also got a strong sell. So for me, Suncon not that strong in short term point of view. They might test 4 ringgit level lah. Okay, short term not so strong. Okay, tapi long term is still alright lah. This counter is still above 200 MAs. Okay, the a little bit concern is they are unable to go up 460. So I guess they might just trading sideways. For the midterm point of view lah, they could go as low as 368. You can see the trend. So most likely they might go sideways. Tapi if one day they go below 368 memang no good already. Maybe they might change the trend into downtrending. Okay, how about the RGB? Red, green, and blue. Okay, RGB so far. Okay, if you see here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so far 360, 370 is still supported. Okay, even though volume okay only, not that impressive, but at least the volume is better than back in September lah. Mid October onwards, the volume improved lah. So make sure the price is above 360 lah. Then still alright. Tapi below 360 memang no good. Okay, so interested, watchable lah. Okay, how about the catcha? Catcha. Catcha nothing much. Potential outlook. Catcha. Not much volumes, I would say. Okay, the last time they have a high volume was here lah, back in June, July, August. But August onwards, you can see the volume getting thinner and thinner. Okay, let me zoom in further. Yeah, recently they do have some volumes. Tapi not so consistent. Maybe I would say they might need more times. Okay, if you are still interested with them, okay, as long as the price above 330, okay, maybe okay. Okay, just matter of time lah. You need to have more patience to wait for them. Okay, how about YTL covered already? Okay, how about the TH plantation? Who asked review? Okay, TH plantation, if not mistaken, last week we do review. Okay, I think Wednesday we review lah, and I do mention plantation lah, plantation. So what we can see, Friday and today market push up. Okay, actually for today, TH plantation already break above 670, 690, closing price 695. Okay, momentum ada, volume ada, so I would say overall is okay. Okay, overall is okay. Okay, a little bit concern is they have a extreme level back in here, 715. Okay, back in May and July, 715. Okay, take note here would be your resistance. Okay, doesn't mean that they will hit and reversal lah. Okay, overall based on recently performance, I would say they are still okay. Just maybe they will hit and maybe they will come back down, go sideways, then retest again. Okay, this is what I guess lah, because they also went up 2 days already. So take note 715 would be your next resistance. And as long as they are above 670, I would say overall they are still quite bullish looking. Okay, how about the MSC? Well, this one hit my stop loss previously. Okay, let's see. MSC. Okay, let me delete all the lines and redraw to do 5. Okay, pump up, wash down. Okay, even though back in beginning of October, they have a wash down. So far, 18, 23rd, okay, got volumes. 28, 29 got volumes. Today also got volumes. Okay, seems like they found a support at around 225. Okay, today bounce up a little bit. Okay, volume ada. Okay, but not super strong lah. Not say until super strong lah. But for this one, 240, not so easy to set a. Let me see where is the potential resistance first. 260 Yeah, boleh lah. 260. Here previously unable to go through. Okay, for me, ideal level would be somewhere around 225 lah. Okay, but what if unable to come to this level? So maybe I will say, okay, I hope that they will come back down to fill the gap lah. Maybe somewhere around 232. Okay, with my cut loss. Okay, if they close below 225. Okay, so what I bet or what I guess or anticipate is maybe they might go sideways macam ini lah. But if they continue pull up, then skip dulu loh. I afraid they hit 260 and continue sell down again. Okay, how about the Emulus? Ada chance kah? Masih selling Emulus volume improve on 18, 21st. Volume sell on 30. Actually, Emulus nothing much yet. Okay, nothing much yet. But if you're interested, okay, make sure they don't go below 240. Okay, current price 250 lah. Your cut loss maybe is a 235 or 230 loh. But these counters, I think, okay lah, bettable lah. Got volume here. Got volume here. Okay, their cost okay, based on here the volume their cost is above 240. Okay, so as long as they don't break and close below 240 should be okay. Okay, if they break below means these people also kena already. Okay, market may dive down even further lah. Okay, some more previously they have bounced out from this level. So if you're interested, yeah, make sure your cut loss follow your cut loss. And due to this counter is below 200 MAs, we trade it as a rebound trade only lah. Okay, plantation covered TH plantation covered MNH. Sorry. MNH. Give me full name lah. Okay. Okay, otherwise I thought which counter MNH. MNH holding now is more on sideway. Okay. So if you take position now, just expect they might continue sideway, but the sideway is on the good side lah, because this counter is in the uptrending. Okay, currently is more on the consolidation zone lah. Okay, you can see they have a big spike, deep wash, and now into a sideway. So what I expect on MN holding is continue sideway. Okay, so yep, I guess it's okay. Okay, just that you need to have patience don't know when they baru want to jalan lah. Okay, so end of October. Okay, got a little bit signal lah. If the volume improve a little bit. Okay, recently. So, yep, boleh tengok lah, boleh tengok. Okay, how about the MSM? Please. Okay, MSM, I think I do mention before, 122 lah, cannot break. Okay, because here, they break above 122, hit here, retest here, hit here, maybe retest here. So you can see the sideways here, meaning don't break below 122, then okay already. Okay, the rebound, still got chance rebound lah. Because here got a gap down, so this would be a gap resistant. Okay, this would be a gap resistant. Side park. Okay, sorry. Momentum still boleh. Okay, side park as long as above 80 cents, I would say still alright. Okay, for short-term momentum, it's still okay. Tapi if they close below 80 cents, then they might come back down to 74 or 750 lah. Why so light Toyovan one No good lah. Okay, still no good. Okay. Okay, Genting Malaysia covered. Oh, hold on the name so special. Sorrento. Okay, no wonder lah, I don't know. Okay, too new already this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 days only leh. Okay, what I can try my best is use 50-minute charts lah. Okay, high volume pump out on today Monday. Okay, at the volume pump out. Then they sideway for the remaining days lah. 380. Oh, okay. This one I memang okay. You see the chart macam ini only. I memang don't know how to analyze Okay, based on the 50-minute charts, maybe I would say their temporarily support is a 390 level. Okay, as long as they are above 390, short term maybe still okay lah. Below 390, maybe they will continue sideways. Okay, too new already. Memang I can't read too much information. Okay, how about this one also super new. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 days candle only. Okay, tapi if compared this one looks stronger because of the volumes and the candle. Much stronger and much more volumes lah. Okay, this one break above 250. Maybe you can use 250 as your immediate support. But limited chart lah, limited candlesticks. Breakout on 10 a.m. Okay, 4:30 they got a high volume pump up. So I guess so far so good lah. Don't break below 250, then okay already. Okay, but too new already lah. I cannot read too much. Susah lah. Success rate will be low. SWK plantation. Which one better? Okay, this one hit resistant already lah, 240. Okay, trend point of view, yeah, of course, still going up. Okay, tapi if you just want to go in, yeah, of course, a little bit risky lah, right? People already goreng so many days already. Yeah, how about the SOP? Okay, let me see. I also need to compare. Okay, for me, I would more prefer SOP due to the chart. Okay, looks like the liquidity is better. Okay, so long above 328, I guess still alright for SOP. For the what just now Sarawak plantation, they are more looks like quite illiquid. Okay, this one also quite new. 30th of April. Yeah, personally, if based on the chart, I think SOP looks okay. Okay, this one recently break above 60 cents. Okay, volume still alright. As long as they are above 60 cents, still okay for this one. Okay, so maybe I will put SOP, MKHOP. I think I will put 1 and 2. Okay, Matang got volume. Matang. Yeah, for this kind of counters, those below 10 cent one, okay, on and off, they will be the most active counters. Okay, if you zoom in, you can see, yeah, today got volumes lah. Tapi you can see, every few days or every few weeks, they will have high volume pump in. You see, okay, when March, September last year, you can see here, last year February. So you can see, they have so many volume on and off lah. Okay, tapi the price still remains sideways. So yeah, even though today got volume, tapi doesn't mean that they will come. Okay, this also subject to penny trend. Okay, if the penny stocks trend ada mari, they baru ada chance lah. Otherwise, they will take forever to come. Okay, if I zoom out further, you can see since the last trend was 2021, they have a pump out lah to 120 only. Then they sell down. Okay, 2022, another try lah, and wash down. So you can see since 2023 until now, okay, already November, this counter is still in the sideways. Okay, we don't know when will come lah. Okay, so this one, if you really interested, this one you need to buy and hold and wait only. Okay, OCK just now covered lah, potential bottoming. Okay, potential bottoming. Okay, CEB today macam ada volumes. Okay, so we can see on 21st they have an attempt tapi tak successful lah. And today they have a much healthier volumes. Okay, breakout above 20 MA. So means short term maybe got some bounce up opportunity lah. But maximum I would say, okay, at the moment I will see until 395 like that only. Okay, volume ada. If you're interested, cut loss below 325. Okay, but I would say, yep, cut loss below 325. High risk lah, high risk. Econ Berhad. Got chance tomorrow sudah jalan Okay, if you ask me on Sunday, I will say Monday maybe got chance lah due to the hammer. Okay, today already gap up, go high, but they already approaching the target, which is a 410 level. So for this one, I would say they do have chance, but if we jump in, we also might kena trap. Okay, this is what I think lah. Okay, because they already bounce up, so they do have potentially retest a 390 level. So I would say if we jump in, our risk is a little bit higher lah. Okay, could get trapped lah. Okay, how about P metal? P metal also still weak. Okay, it's still weak. The only thing is interesting is maybe they got a mini hammer over here only lah. Okay, personally prefer a level which is somewhere around 450. Okay, but P metal they already below 200 MAs, so I would say this counter is classified as a bearish counters lah. And FLA sudah game over lah. Okay, ever since they break below 70 cents sudah game over. Okay, even though you can see they have a huge volume here, right? But the price breakdown 655 already. So tentatively we can say this counter bye bye already. Okay, tentatively okay, no game. Okay, tentatively no game. RGB and SciPark we covered already. So as just now mentioned for RGB, so far they yet to break down 360, so the chances is still there. Okay, so seems like they do supported quite well lah, 360. And for SciPark the momentum is still okay. Okay, my concern is they already at 200 MAs only lah. Okay, so take note on 80 cents. Above 80 cents, I would say short-term momentum is very bullish. But below 80 cents, okay, if they go below 80 cents, means they already rejected by 200 MAs. So maybe game is almost over. Okay, confirmation is 750. Okay, below 750, then totally rebound habis lah. Okay, tapi if they go below 80 cents and manage to go sideways, stay above 750, they still might have second attempt to go up. Okay, Genting Malaysia with 6.7 dividend yield. Okay, yeah, if you are a dividend person, yeah, of course, now is still already lah. Now maybe you can look for the lower price to do EP like that lah. Okay, but if you are short-term trader or short-term holder, you not really care about dividend, then not an opportunity yet. Crestone. Hold on, the name. Wow, you can see these counters Who asking Okay, my Penang. You can see these counters sell down for so many days already. Friday got a hammer at 200 MAs. Ngam 115 level. But based on here, this seller this selling what I expect is maybe just a rebound only. Okay, because selling pressure is pretty strong. Okay, by zooming out, okay lah, here maybe they have a lot of transaction. Okay, make sure the price above 115 lah, above 115. Okay, still ada chance to rebound further, maybe to 123. Okay, how about the Puppy Bank? Bang. Okay, Puppy Bank is still neutral lah. Okay, I would say they might go into sideways. Okay, doesn't mean that no good lah. Because here you can see they already pump up all the way to 480. Okay, stress test 430, test 460. So most likely they will go sideways macam ini lah. Okay, just like you throw a ping pong ball throw up, then they hit the floor, then they need to go sideways. Okay, until something hit them again, then the ping pong only can jalan mah. So I guess most likely they will go sideways dulu. Okay, so long above 430, still okay. Okay, this one is more suitable for mid to long term holder lah. Short term nothing much lah. Okay, how about the current? But overall it's still okay lah. I would say if you are above mid term one okay, no issue lah. Okay, Coraja is still weak because they are still below 200 MAs. Okay, so now they are at the potential bottom level, which is at 375. As long as the closing price is above 375, should be alright. Okay, EL reach. Okay, still okay. On Friday, actually they already hit my target lah. You see my trade plan my target was here. Okay, 455. Actually already hit lah. If I want to put my target further, is an extreme level, which is 475. Also hit already. Okay, what we can see on Friday, they have a breakout above 455. Okay, but today candle looks like macam bull is fighting, bear is fighting. The closing is like a little bit more on neutral. Okay, so take note tomorrow. Make sure the price can stay above 455. Okay, stay above still okay. Go below, maybe okay. They might go down further lah. So cannot break 455 Jaya Tiasa. Okay, still okay lah. Recently volume pun ada. Okay, my ideal level I think Jaya Tiasa we do mention or we do review couple of times I think back then was here and here lah. Okay, this was a opportunity back then. Okay, when they test a 200 MAs or when they retest a 119 level. Okay, currently they already pull up to 127. So for me, I still prefer if they are able to come down lower, maybe to 122 somewhere like that. You only look for EP lah. Minox. What about Minox? Okay, Minox at resistance zone. Okay, this is also a new counters back in October 823. Okay, so 1 year plus lah, these counters. So we can see the whole 2024 resistance support, resistance support, resistance support, resistance. Okay, currently the price is approaching or at the support. Okay, 280, 290 lah. This would be your our zone. Okay, resistance zone. 99 smart. Oh, long time no people mention already habis the pump tak berapa boleh already short term not so good already. The momentum no. Okay, be careful sikit lah. Okay, ini pump up, go up. You can see they tested very well. Tapi recently break down already. So the next stop, okay, they also break below 20 MA lah. So for me, short term starting to get weakening. Okay, so this one their last hope 225. If they break down, game over lah. Maybe they might go to 215 or even lower. Okay, so for me 99 smart lah. 99 smart lah. Not so nice already Not so nice already so Sun Surya currently at support lah. Okay, as long as they stay above 50 cents, should be okay. Okay, should be okay. Bar West Bar West, I think jalan a lot already. Cannot lah, Bar West. Okay, Bar West is still very good. Okay, still jalan. But you can see, I think we discussed these counters maybe back in 50 cents level lah. Okay, 510 or 60 cents when they break up. But now the price are already 90 cents level. So if you just want to join in, okay, the chances of getting trapped is super high. Okay, currently it's more suitable for those bought earlier. They can plan for maybe do a trading stop already. Okay, but for newcomers or the fresh buyer, if you jump in, a very high chance you might stay in the penthouse. Okay, I also don't want you jump in. Okay, later you jump in, then they wash down. Then kena lah. So they are still good, just that yeah, no suitable for the fresh entry. Okay, not suitable for fresh entry. Okay, tapi if you die want to, I not recommend. I not recommend lah. Okay, 90 cents cut loss below 845. Okay, if you can obey your cut loss, then you can try. But I not recommend. Okay, to do anything on this already. Okay, how about RHB? RHB is still in the uptrending mood. Okay, still in the uptrending mood. As long as they are above 628, still okay. Fajar, I think not that great already. Fajar, if you want their last hope, 375. Okay. KLK. KLK good, Yeah, even though this one is a $20 counters, if happen they can come back down to $22, maybe you can KV them lah. Okay. The low, they also got some pattern here lah. Breakout. KLK IOI crop. Oh, this one also not bad. Today got performance. They also break out above. Maybe you can take note on 390 on the IOI. UTT plantation. Oh, this one, the movement a little bit slow, okay? Not that volatile. Okay, if happen they come back down to maybe $26 or ringgit ringgit, maybe you can take note lah. And BBA. Short term getting weakening. So I think their next support would be somewhere around 220, 215. Hub Seng. Let me see. Hub Seng not that good already. A bit weak. Okay, still weak for me. They already below all moving averages. They could visit as low as maybe 378 or even lower. Okay, for me the trend is over at the moment. Okay, SCG Berhad. So sorry lah, tak cantik already. Okay, previously they have a triangle breakup. Okay, W only lasts for a few days. Okay, on Friday already broken down below 885. Today another sell down. So for me, Hub Seng, SCG Berhad not that great. Okay, I would say the breakout is not successful lah. Okay, so they might come back down to 80 cents or 750 level. Okay, so short term not so strong, but long term point of view for these counters, yeah, at least is in an uptrending. Okay, but the triangle breakout already considered fit already. So I expect they might test a 80 cents level dulu. 80 cents or 750. Okay, so take note these two level as your S1, S2 lah. Okay, how about the Ren Q? Okay, Ren Q also started to weakening. Okay, you can see they have a huge volume sell at here. Okay, by zooming in, you can see today they do bounce up. Tapi they do have resistance here. Okay, you can see this also is a volume sell down. Today not much volumes. So for me, rank Q is worse. Okay, worse than SCG Berhad. SCG Berhad still got hope. This one already break below 200 MA. So for me, a little bit dangerous. Okay, their next support is a 120. If they break, then not so good lah. Okay, those ask question, please do like this post. Yeah, help me hit the guata. Thank you, Patrick. Play Matang become Malang. Matang. Actually, for those penny stocks, sorry. Okay, like I say, this kind of penny stocks, okay, this one 0.00851. if you think this one cannot become cheaper, okay, they have many things to do one. Okay, one thing they can do is if you buy and hold, maybe they can do right issue. Okay, right issue means you need to pay money lah. Otherwise they will dilute your holdings. Okay, another thing they can do is console. Okay, consolidation. Maybe 10 shares become one share. Okay, so become you can see maybe 8 cents punya stocks become 80 cents. Okay, become 80 cents, then they can continue to throw lah. Okay, so yeah, many pattern they can do lah. So for me, you need to know your risk. If you buy this kind of counters, better aspect if you burn all, you also never mind. Then okay lah, you can try lah. Okay, PMB Tech today got volumes, so watch this lah. Okay, finally. Okay, at least what we can see, they found a bottom at somewhere around 168. Today volume improved, break above 185, also break above the 200 MAs lah. Sorry, not 200 MAs, 20 MAs. Okay, so maybe I put 180 as a last defense. Okay, as long as they are above 180, okay, boleh try for the rebound. Tapi if they go below 180, the rebound is over. Okay, no good. Tapi discounters below 200 MAs just a rebound trade lah. Okay, Theta no good already. Okay, Theta below 200 MAs. So unless they can recover back above 150, otherwise I am seeing they might go back down to 115 or 120 level. Okay, you can see this is a good uptrend, but this also is a good downtrend. Okay, so they also break this level already. So next level, they could revisit this level. At the moment, the trend is over lah. Okay, so not so good. How about Edaran? Edaran is still, I would say, still fightable. Okay, due to the price, is still above 200 MAs. Okay, today volume improved. Okay, even though they not really push up a lot lah, but at least, okay, they are still above 140. Okay, if you're still interested, okay, make sure the price don't break below 140, then okay lah. So I would say this one still watchable lah, still watchable. Okay, how about the Dayang? RHB we covered already. Not so good Also below 200 MAs. Okay, the only hope is they found a bottom at 210, 208 lah. So maybe they will just bounce to 230, maximum bounce to 242. So at the moment, yeah, if one day they break below 208 they will have more sell down. Okay, at the moment it's below 200 MA, so we can classify them as bearish counters or downtrending counters. Dayang RHB cover. Okay, last time I bought LC Titan for dividend, bought at 260 today. Yep. Okay. Yep. For me, dividend. For me, dividend no meaning one. Like let's say the share price is 1 ringgit, right? Okay, currently the share price okay, before the X date is also 1 ringgit but maybe they say okay, they want to give you 20 cents dividends lah. Okay, so means after the X date okay, the next day your share price will get adjusted to 80 cents. Okay, so it's like, okay, actually you think they give you money but actually they deduct from your share price. So it's like not much meaning lah. Unless after adjusted to 80 cents, the share price go back above 1 ringgit. Okay, you only consider earn the money lah. Okay, if after adjusted 80 cents, they continue drop down then no meaning already lah. Okay, then no meaning already. Memang. Okay, so this one is a short term movement short term. EL Reach we also covered already. Okay, we covered already. So make sure the price above 455 by tomorrow. Okay, closing price above 455 then okay. B metal we covered. We only cover Affin at the moment. Okay, Affin is still okay lah. Okay, still okay. Still above 200 MAs. So only short term they a little bit boring lah. More on sideways movement for short term. But overall still okay. Overall still okay. CEB we covered. Okay. Plytech. Surprisingly, still alright. New counters last year. 1 year anniversary already So their first day on 15th of November 2023. Okay, almost 1 year anniversary lah. So far I see the structure of these counters still okay. Friday got volumes. Today neutral. Okay, so I would say still alright. Okay, so long the price is above 345. Okay, boleh tengok lah. Next resistance 385. Okay, Plytech okay lah, maybe we can see lah. Put in the watch list. Tomorrow tengok. Okay, CEB we covered. We go for the AZRB. Okay, no good. Okay, no good. Okay, we can use the easiest way to see whether the market good or not lah. Okay, you maybe just based on any chart lah, any chart can see the Bursa counters one you just need to put a 200 MAs, okay, 200 moving averages. If the price is below 200 MAs most likely no good already. So you can see the orange line and the price is below already. So for me most likely no good already. Okay, and also they break below 240 lah. So yeah, even they can go up only come up to test a 240 and might continue sell down. So this one bear is still in control. So your success rate won't be good lah. Okay. How about the Gamuda? Okay, Gamuda lah. Yeah, Gamuda is still okay lah. Even though on 23rd of October they have a shooting star like candle, but okay, they still managed to get supported very well at 835. So I would say they are still okay. So based on previous extreme level, the resistance was 885. So take note this level as your immediate resistance. Okay, overall they are still in a good shape. Okay, for Gamuda. Okay, last one is a TAS. TAS I would say okay, and B-Trans lah. Okay, TAS I would say they still other chance. Okay, due to they are above 200 MAs. Okay, and recently they try to recover above 680. Okay, so I would say okay, just that they bounce out maybe to fill the gap lah. Okay, they have a gap around 765. Okay, most importantly is on 24th of October, they have volume pump up. And second thing, on 29th of October, they also got a bullish candle, even though the volume not super high. But at least we can see the effort. They try, okay? They try to defend the price. Okay, hopefully this is a big operator lah. Okay, so maybe we can give them some range lah. Or maybe they want to goyang a bit. Okay, 660, 680 is a support zone. Okay, so long the closing price above 660, 680, I think TAS they might have some chance. Okay, if they can go up, maybe I will see fill the gap dulu lah 765 lah. Tapi if one day they close below 660, okay, means what? This volume okay, whoever bought on this date they already give out to defend the price already Their head also basah, they also kena very jialat already Okay, if go below also maybe we can consider that it's already below their cost price already. Okay, so the cut loss, you also need to cut loss lah, right? So take note 660, but I would say opportunity is there lah. Okay, don't break only lah. Okay, last one. B trans. Okay lah, masih boleh lah. Just the movement a little bit fake like that lah. Okay, a little bit fake. But I would say yeah, ada volume, ada movement, 720, 70 cents. Okay, S1, S2. Stay above, still alright. Fightable lah. Of course, if you enter earlier, you still can enjoy the ride. But if you just plan to enter, you need to jaga lah because a bit high risk. This counter you can see they can do a pump dump quite frequent. Okay, recently they just started. I would say still okay. Okay, most importantly is a 70 cents. Cannot break. Okay, break tak cantik. Stay above, still ada hope. Okay, next level 770. Momentum boleh lah, boleh. Okay, so that's all for today lah. So and yeah, if you yet to click like, please help us click like. So because I see usually the YouTube and the Facebook the like tak cukup the comment a lot but the like so little only. So help us to achieve some KPI also. Okay, so if you yet to join my Telegram, you may screenshot this QR code and click in. Then if you have any question, you can ask in the comment. Okay, if I am available, I will answer to your question also. And I will share the today watch list. Okay, those KIV lah. I feel the structure okay, healthy one. If you are interested to wash out, then you can use the list lah to KIV. Okay, so that's all for today. And I also need to thank you Sifu lah. Okay, thank you Sifu for having me here. Okay, if you yet to download Sifu apps, please go and download now. They are available at the iOS and the Google Play Store. And also they do have an interactive live chat. Okay, if you need a live chat, you may subscribe to their services. Okay, so that's all for today and see you on Wednesday 8:30. Okay, thank you everyone and see you.